numbering 17 chăm sắp count down the number from 70 to 61
79, 78, 77, 78, 79.
no it's wrong try again numbering 45 calculate the number 70 plus 66 again calculate the number 70 plus 66
136.
yes okay 136 paragraph 2
What do you see out the window? See the girl with a yellow hat. That's what I see out the window. What do you see out the window? I see someone around a boat. That's what I see out the window.
numbering 3 count the number from 21 to 30 again
No.
count the number from 21 to 30 ok á ở đây hả ba một tên nọ để chăm sắp á numbering 2 count the number from 11 to 20 again count the number from 11 to 20 มาบ้านใจรบเลขตีดับมวยดองกับไพ่แชร์อัพหนึ่ง numbering 74จำสับ calculate the number 2000 plus 29 ไปตั้งไปแต่ camera again calculate the number 2000 plus 29
2000 plus 29.
2000
13.
right 13 numbering 11 count down the number from 10 to 1
11.
again count down the number from 10 to 1
11.
ไป again จับให้ไปทางหนอนี่จับมันเนี่ยจั Come on nào các bạn. Numbering 43. Calculate the number 10 plus 41. Bài tên nào? Rồi. Again. Calculate the number 10 plus 41. Rồi, qua đây. Em sẽ làm. Numbering 53. Calculate the number 8,000 plus 2,000. Again. Again, son. Calculate the number 8,000 plus 2,000. Rồi bắt ra. Rồi, qua này. Try again. Numbering 7. Count the number from 61 to 70.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 20.
Okay. Rồi. Paragraph 4.
The boy jumps with joy. His mom gives him a toy. The twin boy has a toy truck. He plays with his toy. He plays in the soil. Look out! There is oil in the soil too late. The truck is in the oil. Mom boils the truck. Now there is no oil.
Okay. Numbering 31.ចាំស្ដាប់ថាគេឲ្យធ្វើអីណា Translate the number 1515 into English. លេខ1515 អង់គ្លេសគេថាម៉េចនិយាយមកចេះអត់ចាបាច់ចេះចឹង Numbering 29. Translate the number 25,689 into Khmer មានន័យថាឲ្យបកប្រែលេខដែលឈើហៅមិញហ្នឹងទៅជាខ្មែរវិញ 25,689 ចាNumbering 49. ចាចាំតិចcho ăn ối. Calculate the number 3 million plus 100,010.
Million.
Có đó. Ai mà đơn tiền 3 million plus 100,010.
One hundred.
Try again. Numbering 1. Làm sao á? Count the number from 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Tama. Paragraph 4.
Okay,
Ano?
The boy jumped with joy. His Mim. Him. Toy. The. Try home teacher.
Okay. Try later. Okay. Numbering 21. Translate the number 215 into Khmer.ซึ่งบอกไป Khmer ไว้เดี๋ยวเธอเลขเดี๋ยวเธอหาดูมั้ง215 มาไหม Okay. Numbering 40. Translate the number 34,981 into English. Translate the number 90,417 into English. Again. Translate the number 90,417 into English.
9,000. Theo xong rồi chị. Again.
Từ trong cái đó Translate the number 90,417 into English.
9,400. 1,400. 17.
Try again. It's my hand. Numbering 8. Count the number from 71 to 80.
21, 72, 73, 74, 75, 70, 76, 77, 78, 29, 18.
No, 18, 80.
18.
Okay, chap katawan. Paragraph 4. An mới chị An á. Đó, chị An là nó quá.
An mà chun chứ.
Chị An là nó.
Đợi. Đợi. Back.
Đó, chị. Numbering 5. Count the number from 41 to 50.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Okay. Paragraph 1.
Dan looks at the lake. He sees a tall man with white whiskers. The tall man rows a boat on the lake. It starts to snow. It snows more and more. The boat starts to get white. The man's coat is white. He looks like a snowman.
Everybody. Numbering 26. Translate the number 1,385 into Khmer. Again. Translate the number 1,385 into Khmer. Again. Translate the number 1,385 into Khmer.
100
135 no it's wrong well count down the number from 20 to 11
20 to 11 drop me 12 thì không sao 12 19 18 17 16 15 14 13 12 11
ok thử ấy con tá p 19 18 mình nên thiên ấy nè yeah thiên cái lấy nâng cách paragraph 1 đó mùi máu
ôi giờ
ăn trâu ơi chốt ăn không hỏi lệ đài
then look at like he see a tall man with white whiskers. The tall man rows a boat on the lake. It starts to snow. It snows more and more. The boat starts to get wide. The man's coat is white. He looks like a snowman.
translate the number 359 into Khmer
359
yes 300 not thousand numbering 6 count the number from 51 to 60 okay រកធម្មតា count the number from 51 to 60 ខុសហើយ51